Welcome back to Life is a Mission roving team with a small report on tropical storm Rafael. So, people, you know the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads to support the channel to give this channel a revenue. And please remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section to give them a subscription also. And all you people over here who have a TikTok account, you can go over to TikTok and follow me on TikTok on the same name, Life is a Mission TV. There's a lot of social commentary over there and public affairs and stuff like that. You know, you don't want to miss, because there's a lot of things I put over there, like some 2-3 minutes videos, 4 minutes videos with a little of my give back, and you know, you name it, a little things that don't put over here. You understand? And things that, you know, might carry music in the background that I can't put over here, I will put over there. So just run over and follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. I'm not over there for Lion, Zion, or Payan. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Anyway, let's move on. Yes, people, there's a discontinuation of Tropical Storm Watch, Rafael, because based on the meteorological service, Tropical Storm Rafael has been gone, long gone, as Baby Sham would have said. But the thing is, we're still getting a lot of showers, and you know that's what come after a storm. Before the calm, you get a lot of water, and there's a lot of people who's been affected by this water. Some people normally affected by just even an inch of rain for even half hour, much less continuous rainfall. And in some parts of the island, the rain is falling heavier than some part. We might be getting light showers in Kingston, but like Clarendon, Hanover, St. Elizabeth, you name it, but that side is getting a lot of rain, and it is affecting a lot of people. I don't got a lot of footage of some things to bring to you, but I have a few that I'm going to share with you people. And I see a lot of footage, but I don't want to, you know, because the last time something like this, I see a footage and I did take the footage thinking, okay, it wouldn't be a problem because it's like a national thing, it's like a disaster, and you just want to share with people, because we're not TVJ or CVN that we have correspondent all over the island. So if I can be in Kingston and a blogger out there or a vlogger out there in St. Elizabeth see my thing I want to carry, I have no problem. Let's be our own correspondent, despite we might not know each other, to share important messages. And that person, a big platform also, big platform, did send me a message, an email to, you know, take down the video because XYZ. And I did take it down because it's his content and it's his request, so I did take it down. But the thing is, most of these people, they are not the one on the ground taking the footage. They get that footage from somewhere else also. You know, whether they have some WhatsApp group or them see it elsewhere and them take it down. And them take it and make it be for them own. You understand? Because the person who they take it from is probably not a YouTuber or stuff like that. So they have the raw naked video there, and they get it somehow from some friend, some group, something, and take it and make it for them. And then when you see it and just want to pass on the message on your platform, they, you don't want to strike you for it, or they want to whatsoever. So one must stop be selfish, especially in times like this when we're having disaster, when we are not a CVM, as me say, or a TVJ, we have correspondent all over the island to cover each parishes. You understand? Let me be our own correspondent despite not knowing each other. So when me get a footage and you see me post it, no problem with me, you reposting my footage. But it's all about the money and the views for Uno. Uno just feel like, say, boy, yes, a man post a thing about Calico fight and a your thing. And as me say, I could have done you out there, just like how you go and see footage of me out there in the rain, taking footage of what is going on. You understand? Enough of them, no, them yard are just people, amateur people, photos them see, videos them see, and take it turn for them one and put watermark on it and all them something there. Alright? So, YouTubers out there, stop craving for the money and the views at all costs. In times like this, let us be our own correspondent, where we can the elsewhere and you the elsewhere, or at least I can share my content to show the rest of the people in the country, say boy whatsoever. Because people who might be on your platform don't follow me, people on my platform don't follow you. So you can take my to show them. Probably somebody are heading to Kingston. I am in Kingston and I can show what is going on in Kingston. At least you can know that somebody there can be a family member where you can put it on your platform and through them follow you, them see it. You understand? And them nobody heading to Kingston. So let's help share the thing, man. You understand? Anyway, yes, people. So back to the storm. There's a few landslide, people. You have a landslide in Laverne's Tavern, you know, and you have a major one also in what name? Maclasha or Maclaren, something another up in that same area that separate a whole entire community. As me say, I don't know how them are gonna manage. Trust me, I don't know how them are gonna manage. Negril Town flood out. Yes, man, Negril Town flood out. The gas station is supposed to take in a lot of water in the fuel because water find its way into the tightest places. Also, there is a police station that built in Green Acres, St. Catherine, Spanish Town, that supposed to be open from year 2021, that has not been open because of what I tell you people, lack of proper engineering. Because each time rainfall, the station they right here, so and when you look in front of which part the entrance supposed to get into the station yard, water ice up like Liquid Duns River. You understand what I say? So basically that station has not been open after finish open from 2021. The whole light flood out. Alright? And Caymanas Park, people, the animals, some part of Caymanas Park, some animals are in threat. You know, that's horse racing. You know, some stable yard and some, you know, stalls of the horses have been flooded out. Me hear one man I say, Lord, I'm the foreigner that, you know, because, you know, for import foreign horses is very expensive. And we have a big race coming up in Jamaica, one of the most prestigious race in the Caribbean. Over how much million US dollars for the purse money, where people horses from overseas come down and jockeys come down to ride. On top of that, man shipping horse to race in the race, you know, just to coup that big prize. It's a prestigious race. One time ago we used to have a derby as a prestigious race in Jamaica. Now that race is the more prestigious race in Jamaica. So some horses are in some threat, you know, but you don't know, the gummies always know best what to do, which is the guys that take care of the horses, bathe them, feed them, clean them stalls, stuff like that, you know, and then they might just transfer them to other areas of the track that might not affected by the weather. I don't think it's all part of the track. So it's basically that, my people. So I want to just stay tuned for a few clippings I have to show you. A few clippings to show you from last night from yesterday at about 4 p.m. when they said it's 6 to 12 hours before the storm passed through Jamaica. I show you the condition of the area and how the place stay. And at about 4 a.m. in the morning, I go again, I wake up. Well, I wasn't asleep, I was inside. And I get outside to show you what the place looked like at 4 a.m. this morning. You know, and this is the thing me I say, me can come out of my house and go out, they go do this. And if I next man use it, me not have a problem. But some of these guys getting the people them content from amateurs, videographers, and you know, them take it and keep them on, and then them talk about copyright. Yes, I was out of my house at 4 a.m. this morning showing you some footage, getting some footage to show you and stuff like that. And at the end of the video, after you see, I show you some clippings that I have outside of my area that I live in. You know, I will go again and show you, you know, at 5 p.m. Not 5 p.m., it was like 5:30 p.m., you know, where I was out in the street again from my home, because I was out this morning showing you some footage. Also, I forgot about that. About 11 o'clock this morning, just before midday, I was also out getting some footage again of all the streets look and stuff like that. And from I come back in, I come and I was here, you know, and I drop asleep about 1 o'clock, and I did not wake up back till about after 4. And just after I wake up and cool off a little bit, I say, alright, I'm gonna go back out there, get some clippings again of how it look, it coming down to the 6 o'clock bells. And I was out there at about 5:30 catching some of the footage of how the place look and the rain. I mean, in the rain, I mean, I wake up an hour before. I go rub with some rum now and stuff and some alcohol, yes, and do what I'm supposed to do. So that is it, people. Anything new for tomorrow, by now and tomorrow, you know, your roving team from Life is a Mission TV newsroom will bring it to you. So I don't know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch your ads and continue to support the channel. And remember, the Cash App is there, $ Charms and Trends. And please to go support them. Check them out on Instagram and then business page, and just drop in the DM and order something on the website charmedandtrend.shop. And the Instagram page is charmed_and_trends. Support them. I remember Life with Gabby and Chevy. Help her to reach at 1,000 subscribers. They need about 110 now. So just help them. Alright? Bless upon yourself. See you tomorrow if there's anything to bring to you. I'm out. Some people, this is what the streets of Jamaica look like at minutes to 12 midnight. Yeah. Street, you see streets out dead? Yes, my people. This is what the streets of Jamaica look like. Bare rain. I'm in the middle of the road. Yeah. The middle of the road. You can't hear the sounds of the gully. Alright, so stay tuned. Tomorrow morning, we'll see how the weather turns out. It's the eve of the day that they said we're going to get a tropical storm. Them say it is passing through the west end of the country, back in the St. Elizabeth Negril, that part of the country, you know, in a part of Clarendon. So let's see what will took place during the procedure of this passing of storm. So Life is a Mission, people. You just stay tuned. You know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. It is so easy. Remember, do the do. Yeah, man. See the sky how it look, people. Yeah, man. Dark. Although it's midnight. Sky dark, my people. Dark. Yeah, man. Dark. Dark. Midnight, people. I mean, I middle of the road. See it? It's raining in Jamaica, cats and dog, the eve of the hurricane. Alright? Yes, man. Life is a Mission. Roving team is out to bring you what is to come.
Whole road break off. No vehicle can pass. No vehicle at all. See, they break off, go to the bank. So water run there. All pipe dislocated. See there. Everybody wonder how them are going to reach a work and how them are going to start to work and so forth. You understand? All of the road break off. See there? So that's around there.
Well, my people, it's almost 4 hours since I do a last video. I lost clipping, as you can see. The clipping just before this, it was like 4 hours. Now it's 8 minutes to 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to go back out on the street now to see what is going on. I have not closed my eyes since I do that last clipping that you see at the top of this video. So I'm going on the road now. So my people, just as I step out of the gate, the rain start come harder. Yeah man. Gully come gushing down. Yeah man. That is it. This is how the weather condition is right now. It's raining and it's now approximately 3 minutes to 4 a.m. That's how the sky look, people. Right around you can see that's how the sky look. Right around. So we are keep the thing abreast. So in another 3 to 4 hours you will get another update joining on this, because I will be compiling all these videos together at different hours of the morning. Alright, Life is a Mission roving team is out. Alright my people, umbrella my hand are going it. Yes man. Yes my people, welcome back Tuesday morning, Well people, based on recent weather report, the storm has passed over. At this point I have no reports on any form of damage, but the rain has eased in Kingston at this moment. But that don't say the rain is over. Showers can return at any given time. Yes, the showers can return at any given time, but for now the rain has eased, and as I say, the place is busy. So you don't know, we're still looking out for showers because it's still an overcast skies. And you don't know, after storm we normally have a lot of showers. So for now, Kingston, the rain has eased. No report of any damage as yet. So we're going to keep abreast of the situation before we send out anything, alright? Yes my people, the sun a try peep out, Sun a try peep out, people. Sun a try peep out. Yeah man. So after a storm it's a calm, but we still have the weather up on us, Like I don't know, after the storm, as I said, there's a lot of water. And we don't get past the stage yet, we just get a break. Because Father God not give you more than you can bear, So basically we get a break here, so. See food truck out. Look red car there. Food truck that out. Yeah man, the food truck is out, Body come get them food because them don't know what is going to happen in another few hours. Well my people, the rain this will come again. The rain is on us again, people. So you see it, as me tell you? Yeah man, Father God give you a little breeze. People, I have to hold something from the food truck because the rain will come back down. I mean, I intend for going on the fire side, people, so I just hold something, because I don't know, as I say, I be a rain there for me, people. I actually just waking up, I should even rain, people. I try run go home, people. I try run go home and come out and rub with some rum and some alcohol, I know somebody that carry out the umbrella, but two me still like the place clear up little bit. Me say nah, come back down here now.
That's how we see crocodiles sometimes. Baby come around enough them complain, so me have to lock them in the house. Because man now come
So the crocodile them walk through the little party right so we look.
Them not really come through there, but we can look and see them in there.
See them in the gully.
Yeah. One guy did come to fixing time, as you can see, he tied there. He might push it, and when him look, I want crocodile in my finger and stick and push it out in the water. That was before the sea gets so Bangkok. And so much water as you can see. See a buckle fridge. And then something there. See, fridge for fridge. So this is not where I go. So when the rain for the water rise, rubbish them come up.
Okay.
Yeah, it is so clean because when this flood up with the sun and something, my bar flood out. We will flood out, the water come high up and cover this water, cover this when it's ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So will I flood out already?
Yeah.
The fun part, the unbelief to come in on me from the
Yeah,
veranda.
come talk. But
So you're prepared for move?
No, I don't have anywhere else to go.
So this is the gully we're looking at right here. All the debris, this is the gully. And the house is just right here. Which is threatened. And they say one of the biggest fear them have is the flooding, but also crocodiles.
Street here along Mulline Road in St. Andrew. We're being told it happened sometime after 2 p.m., restricting vehicular access. No, it's still not clear how long it will take for the authorities to clear this road. On Old Hope Road, a downed utility pole. Some risked it, others simply made a U-turn. We then journeyed to the often troubled Marcus Garvey Drive. The wind is gushing outside at God he knows what speed. We're currently along Marcus Garvey Drive and it's an all too familiar scene here. The streets are flooded and it's extremely difficult for motorists to maneuver the waters. Some did try to brave the waters, however, but they were unable to cross it. This was off Norbrook Drive at the back of Constant Spring Golf Club. So, flooded streets and major delays for some in the corporate area, but perhaps the full extent of the damage will only be known when the water subsides. Many persons expressed alarm at the collapse of this wall in a newly built apartment complex in Seymour Lands in the Golden Triangle.
Water come up already this morning, we flood out, man. I know a cherry flood out already. Over there, sir, empty, everybody evacuate already. Right, sir? Them a look help evacuate. You see? Want to help you, the bed wet up already. Couple clothes down me there, and I sitting there wet up already, dry. Now, nothing dry now. Here, wait, you see it?
And it's still early?
And it's still early, so we have whole heap of chance if we see more rain. Same way, you see it?
So, as it is like now though, how much people you see at risk?
At risk, we just say everybody down from the bottom and saying at risk, you know. But they don't see as they check it. As soon as them get the water a little bit more, you know, say everybody down at the bottom have to evacuate. You see it? Yeah, everybody down at risk, but they don't see full check it. I just start what I say.
Early.
Yeah, early same way.
So what you plan to do though, if it continues?
We have to go evacuate. You see it? But we don't know where to go. But some people have to go try to stay car, they now run up them things them. You see it? Yeah. So, you know you go.
And this is every time it floods?
Every time. Last flood, you catch me under me. And I'm arm right there, so. Me not talk down a sign up on the top of the road. Catch me up here, so. So imagine you them like we down a so. No turn up in space for there, so for them. You see it? Yeah.
Some people, it's now 25 minutes past 5, that's PM, you know, in the evening, and this is what the weather still looks like. The tropical storm watch is has been discontinued. The flash flood has been not the flash flood, the tropical storm watch itself has been discontinued because, as I said earlier, the storm has already passed over. But you know we're going to get a lot of rains, as you can see. This is how the sky look like at this time of the evening. You know, it's now, see it carry light up the on, so you know what I'm talking about. See the skies? Yes. See the skies there? Yeah, you can see the sky there, you know, dark. A lot of rain is falling at this minute. You can see water running off the house tops. Yes, life is a mission. The roving team is out, you know, bringing this to you. We're getting some breeze also. My poor little umbrella can't manage a breeze. I am now on the main road, you know. Yes, people, I'm now on the main road. And this is what it looks like. You can't stay from here to see the hill. It's like the cloud come right down on the hill itself. Yes, this is what Olympic Way look like. I'm going to try to take you to the famous gully that I always take you to when it's time like this. But my umbrella give me a beating, people. And I lose my... About 2 weeks ago we had some rain and I left my umbrella at the cream shop, and by the time I remember it and go back feet, it gone. Well, I don't think much water is pouring down the gully because the rain is not... See there, the gully, see? The gully don't have much water because the rain did ease for a while. Yeah, the rain subside for a while, but it's now coming down at almost 5:30 and we are getting a lot of breeze. You can see the breeze blowing the water on the ground. So this is what it is like now in Jamaica, people, after the storm has passed. You know, we're getting a lot of showers. As you know, after a storm you always get a lot of water, and this is one of the things what most people fret about and concern about, especially people in low-lying areas, you know, because, you know, flooding is possible. And as you can see, there's a few places that I show you that has been flooded, you know, and there's a lot more, but that I don't have any clips for them because I get some still pictures and I got some videos, but those videos are from other people channels and I don't want to use people content in that sense, because you don't know, in that sense enough people don't want you to spread what is going on. Them just thinking about the views and the money that they can get from the channel, and you are sharing their videos, and most of them don't even on the spot getting those videos live, you know. Them get those videos from other people, you understand? But still, if you use it, you see copyright. The last time I used a video on this channel, I don't remember what it was like, and from a big channel, you know, people, and I know he wasn't the one who was on the scene capturing that footage, but he still himself me a copyright warning, so I have to remove the video. So, you know, I just leave them things alone when I see it, because things like these, I am in this area, can cover here, so and if you see something for me and take that won't be a problem to me. You know, it's good that we can share the content all over, because we are not TVJ, we are not CVM who have correspondent all over. So I am going back up now. Yes, we are not TVJ and CVM who we have correspondent all over Jamaica, so we can get our, you know, footage from. So if we can rely on our one another to get the footage, why not? People, I'm in the pouring rain doing this for you just to show you what is going on. You can see the umbrella moving. I'm going to have to stop a little bit because I am getting wet, people. I'm soaked. A few footage before this, I never get this wet. I have to stop and get some shelter, people. Just look how the breeze will blow the water. The breeze is not that strong, but we're still getting some winds with it. If you look on the water top there, how it blow, yeah. Still getting some winds, showers running from this house top. Yes, man. This is what it is like. Street light is on, and it's just about 5:30. So that show you how dark the place is. But normally a street light don't come on until like about 7 o'clock, 7:30. Depends on the daylight saving time. You know, the time hours. Because the sensors on these lights work off of darkness. When the darkness come down from the sensor, that's when the light turn on. And it's now evening, 5:30. Just a minute before 5:30, and all street lights is on. All street light is on. Well, it ease up now. And this is how it been falling. It just come down, pour down for 2-3 minutes and stop again. And that's the reason why when you look in the gully a while ago, you did not see much water, because we don't have a constant rainfall for like all an hour, 2 hours for the past 3 hours. So that's the reason. So coming from Life is a Mission roving team newsroom, that is just about it for now. Anything new, you will see that probably in the morning if I get any new footage. So just stay tuned. On know the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, which is this channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, go over on TikTok and follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Also, there's a lot of things over there, commentary, social commentary, public affairs and stuff like that you can follow me over TikTok, and you will see a lot of things over there. Alright? And remember, if you want to gift me, the cash app is in the comment section, pin, $ Charms and Trend. This is my friend Marcia. Yes. This is somebody who supply me with most of my wigs. So you see me I do my thing on the main station. Today's your birthday, Marlene?
Birthday, I'm 68.
Okay, said happy birthday to Marlene. My people, I want you to go in the comments and said happy birthday to Marlene. How old are you, Marlene?
58.
She's 58 today and she's having a rainy birthday.
A blessed birthday.
But it's a blessed one, you know?
Blessed
And
one.
this can keep husband and wife into stable area, because you don't want to risk to go outside. Just don't make any baby at this age.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, people, have a blessed day, and tomorrow, if anything is there to carry come, I will do. Okay? Life is a Mission roving team. We're outside. Yes, man, getting wet outside.